Welcome to the in front of me ODYS Thanos 10, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's first launch the Gmail application, and after that just tap here on this icon. Now we can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time, and to log out from one from these accounts here in Gmail app, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So just to do that, click to manage accounts on this device, and then just select one from the accounts which you want to remove. For example, the first one, click here and tap to remove account. After that, click to remove account again here. And now in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account. So let's go back to the application, and here we can see that in application we'll also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.